Hi, welcome to Binance Academy's Web3 and Metaverse course. In this course, you will learn the basics of Web3, the Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, and GameFi. Blockchain technology is a critical component of the future megatrends of our digital world. In this first module, we explain the concept of Web3, a term you've probably already heard much about. To know what Web3 is, we need to first understand Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Web 1.0 refers to the first version of the web during the early 1990s. A few people created static and primarily text-based web pages for a large group of readers to read. This publisher-centric Web 1.0 can be called the read-only web, designed to help people find information with little interactivity. There was almost no way for users to interact with the information or upload their own data, except through simple text-based chat messages and online forums. In 1999, author and web designer Darcy DiNucci coined Web 2.0 to distinguish it from Web 1.0. Web 2.0 refers to the shift towards a more interactive internet focused on the users participating and contributing to the web. If Web 1.0 was the read-only web, then Web 2.0 is the read and write web, or participatory web. This platform-centric Web 2.0 emphasizes user-generated content in portals such as social media platforms, blogs, and podcasts. It also features improved interactivity, as the user experience moves from static to dynamic. Short video apps, for example, give each user a customized interaction with user-generated content based on personal interests and algorithmic recommendations. The term Web3 was coined by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood in 2014 to describe a decentralized internet based on blockchain technology. As Web3 is still a nascent iteration of the future web, there are different opinions on what it should be. But generally, Web3 is envisioned as decentralized, open, and places the users at the center. If Web 1.0 is the read-only web and Web 2.0 is the read and write web, then Web 3 is the read, write, and own web. A core vision of Web 3 is to counter the weaknesses of Web 2.0, which saw a handful of giant tech platforms dominating digital lives globally. Internet tech giants were able to distribute, censor, and monetize the data and content that everyone else was publishing on the internet. They often also created barriers to entry so that other platforms and individuals would not threaten any monopolistic strongholds they may have. Web3 is envisioned to allow users to move to decentralized platforms with greater control of their personal data, enjoy greater privacy, and be rewarded for the data or content that they choose to share. Users can interact, exchange information, and conduct peer-to-peer financial transactions, becoming content owners instead of just content users. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are thought to be an early version of a technology that lets users become owners of their data and creations. Blockchain will also enable permissionless digital identities with the usage of crypto wallets, leading to more inclusive and equitable digital economies. Another essential feature of Web3 is what's called the semantic web, which means computers can understand and use information just as humans can. With the help of artificial intelligence, rules for handling data, and better sensor hardware, the world's information will serve our needs dynamically and intelligently. An example is how artificial intelligence enables drug development and content creation more efficiently. How does blockchain fit into Web3? The open, censorship-resistant, user-owned, trustless Web3 of the future needs new technologies, and blockchain provides an answer to many of these Web3 goals. Although blockchain technologies are still in development, they attempt to answer the question of how to manage a decentralized ecosystem. Built on blockchain technology, many crypto products are expected to play critical roles. Blockchain-based digital identity, crypto wallets, DeFi services, NFTs, and tokenizations are some of the crypto's existing tools that can be readily applied toward building the future Web3 ecosystem. With the massive explosion of data, websites, and applications, Web3 promises a more open, equitable, and intelligent digital future. While no one can accurately predict what Web3 will ultimately look like, it's up to entrepreneurs and users today to build the next chapter of the internet. There will be enormous opportunities for those who can contribute to this evolution. In the next module, we'll look into the metaverse, a concept closely related to Web3.